This video is going to be a little different than the previous ones. Instead of explaining on how I do DIY, this video is all about why I decided to be on social media. To begin the story, we need to go back to September 2020. You know, when the world was shut down due to the pandemic. This is the time when I start getting all of my Halloween decorations together, figuring out what decorations are going to be used and where they are going. After sorting everything out, I knew that I needed some new decorations for this upcoming Halloween. So, taking precautions before getting out of my car, went into the local Walmart to check out what Halloween decorations they had in stock. Went into Walmart, staying away from all people in the store, made my way to the Halloween section. As everyone knows, all the stores start putting out their Halloween decorations out so people can start buying them. But this time, there was hardly anything on the shelves. Kept searching for the Halloween decorations, but nothing. So decided to go towards the garden center and maybe would find some in that area. But again, nothing. Decided to find an employee to ask them if they were going to put out more Halloween decorations out in the upcoming weeks, since it was the second week in September. Maybe Walmart was just behind schedule in putting out their Halloween decorations because of COVID. Found an employee and they explained that whatever was on the shelves, that was all that they were going to be putting out because of COVID. Management had explained to all employees, because of COVID a lot of businesses were short-handed and there was not enough manpower to produce what was needed. Years came home, got online and started to search for Halloween decorations, but for some reason, everything was expensive than previous years. After a lot of searching for decorations, realized that I could spend less money making my own Halloween decorations instead of buying them. Yes, it would take a lot of time and work, but now we all had the time. The first thing was trying to find plywood and how much it was going to cost. Went to the local lumber store and found some pretty cheap plywood. Already had some ideas written down on what the plywood was going to be used for, so bought 10 things of plywood. Remember, this is when everything was still cheap and prices hadn't gone up yet, so plywood was still cheap to buy. After a few weeks on working on the Halloween decorations, was finally done with everything. Made zombies, coffins, zombie hands, haunted house, haunted trees and so on. Once everything was put out, people would stop by asking where the decorations came from. Explained to everyone that they were homemade and they weren't store-bought. A few people even asked if by any chance they could buy the decorations and had to tell them no, not for sale. Even friends and family were like, you should sell them. You can make more and you are earning extra money. The debate went back and forth to either sell or not sell. After a few days, came to realize that it would be a good thing to make more decorations and sell them to whoever was asking about them. Ever since then I've made my own decorations for every season and sold them as well. After a while, people told me to put my decorations on social media, start a YouTube channel, go on TikTok, Instagram and etc. But that was something I wasn't comfortable with, especially with privacy. Privacy was a big issue for me, but found out later that there are many faceless videos on social media. You don't have to show your face when making videos. Have always been creative, and now it was time to let others in on my creations. To some people, it may not be their thing when it comes to DIY. And that's okay. We all have things we like or hate. But that shouldn't stop you from doing what you enjoy. If you enjoy doing DIY and have fun at it, then that's all that matters. You are creating something that you enjoy doing, and you shouldn't let others stop you from doing what you love to do. Yes, my channel is a new channel and is small right now, but that doesn't mean anything. As long as you keep on posting videos, people will find my channel and notice my DIYs and spread the news to other people on social media. Everyone who is on social media wants that one chance to be discovered and be noticed, and they shouldn't give up. Keep on doing what you are doing now, and before you know it, people will know who you are. Of course, when you are starting out on social media, you are not going to have the best setup. Everyone who is on social media had to start somewhere. They didn't have the best camera, the best ideas, but in time that will change. You need to be patient and again keep on doing what you love to do. Don't give up. The time you have been waiting for will come. If you're on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter, or even Facebook, chances are my videos soon or later will be on those social media sites. Thank you for sticking around till now. And hopefully you all enjoyed this video and all upcoming videos yet to come.